welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing a polygel set. This was actually a very difficult set because of the nail bed that I did. I really struggled, but I was happy with them in the end. I'm using my new Makartt polygel, Water Lily and Rose, beautiful polygel colours, and I'm using Chrysanthemum as well. It's like a nude colour. I'm going to use that for my nail bed. That's the rose, it's so pretty. And this Water Lily is like a bluey purple. It's a really unique colour polygel. I really like it. So I'm starting off by giving all the nails a quick base coat. I'm using everything from the Makartt kit that I got. So yeah, these are having a quick base coat and that'll get cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm using the XL coffin tips as well. I really like these. I like the length and the shape, especially for polygel sets. They're really nice. So this is the glitter I'm using, Chupa Chups. That's how this set came about. I've been doing it a while actually, just pulling one of my glitters out that I absolutely love and I've never used and just building a set around it. So that's the glitter that I pulled out this week. It's beautiful. Right, so I'm starting off on this middle finger, doing a nail bed with this nude colour. I ended up doing this a little bit too... No, I didn't do it too thin. I ended up filing it too thin. But again, it was something I'd never done before. So I learned a lesson with this set and I'll do it better next time. So I'm going to get that cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'm not worrying about getting it crisp and neat. Because I'll do that with the file once it's cured. But it does help to get it as neat as you can. So that's going in the lamp for 60 seconds as well. Always wipe that tacky layer off before you go in with your file. So I just file right over the top, get the top of it nice and smooth first, and then I'll go in and do the sides and get the sides nice and neat. I didn't have much filing to do with this nail bed. I didn't do a bad job. It was quite even, so it made it a lot easier when it came to filing. And once I've given it a good file, I'll give it a little bit of a buff then, just to smooth it out a little bit more. Right, this ring finger is just going to be a full polygel nail. And I'm going to do a bit of a glitter fade on the other two nails. So again, I'm going to try and... On nails this length, you need it quite thick around your apex area. I don't normally build an apex, really, when I'm working on tips, because I think it's a waste. But you will need a thicker apex if you're having polygel nails this length. So that's gone in the lamp for 60 seconds. And I've gave that a quick file and a buff off camera as well. I didn't want the video to get too long. So there is a few bits I've had to cut out. Filing is one of those. Right, this is just an old base coat I've put on a palette. And I'm mixing some of the glitter into that wet base coat. Just to make a little bit of a mixture. And it just helps me spread the glitter about easier. And it kind of encapsulates it at the same time. So that's going to go on the little finger and the pointer finger where I'm going to do a bit of a fade with the polygel. So I'm putting the glitter on first. I just want it on the bottom half. I don't need to worry about fading the glitter out too much because the polygel is going to cover it at the top. So I just want to completely cover the free edge on this finger and the little finger. And they'll get cured in the lamp as well. I cure it for 60 seconds just to make sure it cures through all that glitter. Right, that's both of them glitter nails cured. So now I'm going to do a bit of a fade with the polygel. I've just put a little blob at the cuticle area. Getting it as neat as I can, as thin as I can at the cuticle area. And then I'm just going to pat it and pull it down the nail. and just try and fade it out and cover that glitter as well. I'm going to do exactly the same on the pinky, and they'll get cured in the lamp for 60 seconds as well. Right, this is where I struggled now. This is something I've never done before. I wanted to do 2 more kind of nail bed, little strips of polygel around that nail bed. I've seen it done a few times and I've never done it. I've always wanted to do it, so I thought I'd give it a go. So I'm just putting a strip of this bluey purple colour around that nail bed. Again, I don't need to worry about getting it too neat, because I will file it in a minute. I'm just making sure I get it tucked right up into them corners. And I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds as well. Right, and as for filing it, it's just the same as what I did with the nude nail bed colour. Filing it over the top first, getting the top nice and flat, and then up each side, up the edges. What I found difficult, what I did, the first nail bed that I did using the nude, I didn't take into account that I was going to be putting this purple strip around it and then a pink strip around it. I should have done that first nail bed a little bit slimmer. I didn't leave enough room at the sides for the purple and the pink, so it ended up being quite wide. But yeah, I know what to do next time. Make sure I do that first nail bed a little bit thinner. Can you see I've got to put another strip around that now with the pink? Whereas if I did the first nail bed a little bit slimmer and left a gap on each side, it wouldn't look like it does in a minute, a little bit wide. But it still looked alright. I managed to file it the best I could and it still looked alright. So again, I'm going to do the same with this as what I've just done with the purple, and I'll file this one off camera. Right, that's it cured. Can you see it's quite wide? Yeah, it needed to be a bit slimmer. So I'm just going to put the rest of this glitter base coat mix onto the free edge of this. And then once this is cured, I'm going to use a clear builder gel to encapsulate this nail. I didn't want to use a clear polygel because sometimes you lose that vibrancy and iridescentness from the glitter. So I didn't want to risk, after spending 3 hours on these nails, I didn't want to risk a clear polygel that was going to wreck it. So I decided to go with this Rosalind clear builder in a bottle, and then that's going to get cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. And again, I'll file and buff that off camera. Right, that's them all filed, all buffed, all ready to get finished off. So I'm going to put a little couple of gems on that ring finger. So I'm going to get these top coated now, get these gems put on, and that will be this set finished. Okay, that's them finished. I really like them. I do like them. I did make a couple of mistakes, but yeah, I'm still learning. I've never done it before, and I promise to do better next time. But I do like them. I love that glitter. I love the colours of that polygel. I was showing you there. I like that nail. I like that nail. Not too keen on that nail, and not too keen on that nail. But you know something? I'm really happy with my progress. I've got so much better this last couple of months. But yeah, anyway guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload, and hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care, bye.